So this taster is to give everyone a brief understanding of what that music and the makeup of that music and how you can go about playing it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think it's like a really good opportunity for people to learn about the culture, and the music is nice and it's set up very well.
I think the CARIFESTA event brought a lot of young people with the music, and I guess it had no violence or anything, so yeah.
It's a good thing because it brought the young people to have fun and not be cooking the whole all the time.
Part of Robot Adventures. So what we do is that basically in general as a company, we go into the different primary schools, we teach workshops on renewable energy, primary and secondary schools. We also deal with robotics. So this section here right now that you're looking at, this section is our wearable robotics. So we are going to be showing you how you can have accessories that light up, the ties light up. We show you which boards it is that you use to get the lights to work.
There's a last spread box. We beekeepers actually use this box to keep our bees. If you look in here, you put this on here, the honey goes in here, and then you wind it down. So you squeeze out the honey, it comes through here, and then you strain it.
The Jamboree as well was really just amazing. Meeting other persons, experiencing other cultures. I think the Youth Village is a very unique and interesting initiative. So far it's been a really great experience, dividing persons into workshops and having them basically learn and gain certain skills from around our region. I think that it was a very great initiative on the part of the government of Barbados.